Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify. Now you need to know that the process is very simple and easy, you just need to follow my steps step by step. First, you will need to open your Shopify and your TikTok and log in into your account. And once you are in this page in Shopify, you should click on the search on the top side, then search for TikTok. Then click on search TikTok in Shopify, this option right here. After that, you'll see all of these options. You'll have to click on this option, TikTok application, free to install. Then click on the install button right here. After that, we'll show you this page. Click on install, then click on set up now. And now you will have to complete all these steps. So simply click on create new or connect, and you should be logged in into your TikTok account on the same browser. After that, we'll show you here this tab, then click on connect. And this is because I have already logged in on TikTok on the same browser. After that, we'll show you here this page, click on create new. Then it will show you here this page, click on connect. And now we will have to enter your country, region, currency, business name, time zone, industry, and check this box down below on the left side. Then click on sign up and connect. After that, you will be prompted to this page. Just choose the maximum option, then click on confirm. Now scroll down more and click on setup. And now we will have to enter more about your company information and business address. Enter the state, street address, postal code, and are you an ad agency or not? Then click on confirm. After that, we'll show you here this message. Your ad account is under review. This normally takes up to 24 hours. So you'll have to wait for 24 hours until your request is approved. And don't worry, it will be approved. Now, if you want to make sure that you are already connected to Shopify, you should go to ads.tiktok.com, then go to tools right here, then choose events. And here on the right side, you'll find out that you are connected, TikTok Pixel for Shopify, then your ID on the right side. And that's all for today. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.